it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, my Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yes, man, Deva Bratt saga continues. Deva Bratt with Bungla Girl. Some decide to say, yo, I'm going to go some different type of Deva Bratt. Man, show you how versatile the artist really is. You see me? It's not just gun tune alone or this song alone. Him have whole heap of song. You see me? So the people them when me applying towards the artist, I make you know how lyrical him is. Drop a sub, because enough of no comment and say, yo, if I never for me, you only go check out the G them thing. You see me? So there's one more from the catalog. If you go check out, you see me? So let's jump in on and hear where the G has said in a Bungla Girl. Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Actually, factually, you know it's Arif, Deva Bratt. I'm saying, the way of them girl they wine, there's something Alif. Y'all could have big like Monica, Maga like Alif. Listen to me. We a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, me give me umbula girl. When a girl a hype, me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if not, no time for your counselor girl. Me see girl in a bungula wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel. I move to the middle, the big, the little mix up in a the pickle. Fi tell you the truth, them fit like figure. Let's pull up. Actually, factually, you know it's Arif, Deva Bratt. I'm saying, the way of them girl they wine, me something Alif. Y'all could have big like Monica, we a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, me give me umbula girl. When a girl a hype, me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if not, no time for your counselor girl. Me see girl in a bungula wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel. I move to the middle, the big, the little mix up in a the pickle. Fi tell you the truth, them fit like a figgle. Expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Not figure them a time, not even a nickel. Just a smear of ice, mystic or ripple. See we serpents, we walk the one them will cripple. We a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, me give me umbula girl. A girl a hype, me find a humbula girl. Me got the strategy of the fundula girl. I mean I have no time for your counselor girl. Up to the woman them married me wine. Girl from Jamaica foreign me wine. The one with the red dot pan the foreign me wine. More time, me a figure them a charity wine. The teacher give them the authority wine. The Deva Bratt give on the clarity wine. Biggie Susie and me give the ratty wine. The most the majority wine. So here we know, we a boy have a bung.
Yo, pull up. Let's go again.
Only hearing big up teacher in the second verse. Only hearing big up Carter in the second verse though. You see it? Yes.
Actually, factually, you know it's Arif, Deva Bratt. I'm saying, the way of them girl they wine, me something Alif. Y'all could have big like Monica, Maga like Alif.
Ready now,
we a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, me give me umbula girl. When a girl a hype, me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if not, no time for your counselor girl. Me see girl in a bungula wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel. I move to the middle, the big, the little mix up in a the pickle. Fi tell you the truth, them fit like figgle. Expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Not figure them a time, not even a nickel. Just a smear of ice, mystic or ripple. See we serpents, we walk the one them will cripple. We a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, me give me umbula girl. A girl a hype, me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. I mean I'm time for your counselor girl. Up to the woman them married me wine. Girl from Jamaica foreign me wine. The one with the red dot pan the foreign me wine. More time, me a figure them a charity wine. The teacher give them the authority wine. The Deva Bratt give on the clarity wine. Biggie Susie and me give the ratty wine. The most the majority wine. So here we know, we a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me humbula girl? Excuse me, me give me humbula girl. When a girl a hype, me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if not, no time for your counselor girl. Girl in a bungula wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel. I move to the middle, the big, the little mix up in a the pickle. Fi tell you the truth, them fit like a figgle. Expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Not figure them a time, not even a nickel. Just a smear of ice, mystic or ripple. See we serpents, we walk the one them will cripple. We a boy have a bungula girl, Tivoli a reman jungula girl. Then who can Actually, factually, you know it's Arif, Deva Bratt. I'm saying, the way of them girl they wine. Me something Alif. Girl is with a big like money, girl, maga like Alif. Listen to me. We a boy have a bungula girl. The valley a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me. Let me give me umbula girl. When a girl a hype me find a humbula girl.
Yo, the man say, yo, excuse me. Let me give me uncle a girl. When a girl hype me find a humbler girl. Yeah, look how much girl me out. I want girl for your hype and me there you stick around like nose ring. No stop.
Call me humbler girl, excuse me. Let me give me humbler girl. When a girl a hype me find a humbler girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. How if not no time for your counselor girl. Me see girl in a bungle, a wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel and move to the middle.
Me see girl in a... The girl in a bungalow wine and a jiggle and a jiggle and a move to the middle. Yo.
Humbler girl, when a girl a hype me find a humbler girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. How if not no time for your counselor girl. Me see girl in a bungalow wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel and move to the middle. The big, the little mix up in a the pickle. Fi tell you the truth, them fit like figgle. Expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Not figure them a time, not even a nickel. Just a
expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Me nah figure them a dime. I guess what? Lyrics alone, image alone, man a gyalis. Me nah fi a buy no gal. Fi get no gal. A bungla gal.
shoot them fit like figgle. Expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Not figure them a time, not even a nickel. Just a smear of ice, mystic and ripple. See we serpents, we walk, we want them to cripple. Hey, we a boy, have a bungula gal. Valley man, jungula gal. Then who can call me zungula gal? Late night who a call me zungula gal. Excuse me, let me give me umbula gal. A gal a hype me find a humbula gal. Me have the strategy of the fundula gal. I mean I no time for your counselor gal. Up to the woman them married me wine. Gal from Jamaica foreign me wine.
Everywhere, him no partial. Up to the woman who married me wine. Girl from Jamaica and fired me wine.
No time for your counselor, girl. Up to the woman them married me wine. Girl from Jamaica and fired me wine. The one with the red dot pan the fired me wine. More time, me a figure them a charity wine.
The one them with the red dot pan them fired me wine. More time, me have to get them a charity wine. A free wine, I mean. But when I said the one them with the red dot pan them fired, I mean them lady they were cover up and have them red dot pan them head. You see me? Have a certain religion, you know? Yes, and that's the boss thing there. But yeah, man, a bash or nothing, brother.
Jamaica foreign me wine. The one with the red dot pan the fired me wine. More time, me a figure them a charity wine. The teacher give them the authority wine. The Deva Bratt give them the clarity wine.
The teacher give them the authority wine. The Deva Bratt give them the charity wine. Charity wine, I'm saying?
Me a figure them a charity wine. The teacher give them the authority wine. The Deva Bratt give them the clarity wine. Me get saucy and me get the ratty wine. The most the majority wine. So hear me now. We a boy have a bungula girl. The valley a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me hungula girl. Excuse me, let me give me hungula girl. When a girl I me find a hungula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if now no time for your counselor girl. Hey, girl in a bungula wine and a wiggle and a jiggle in a diesel and move to the middle. The big, the little mix up in a the pickle. Fi tell you the truth. Them fit like figure, expose them tattoo, nipple and nipple. Not figure them a time, not even a nickel. Just a smear of ice, mystic and ripple. See we serpents, we walk the one them will cripple. Hey, we a boy have a bungula girl. The valley a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, let me give me umbula girl. A girl a hype me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. I mean I no time for your counselor girl. Hey, we a boy have a bungula girl. The valley a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me humbula girl? Excuse me, let me give me humbula girl. When a girl a hype me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if now no time for your counselor girl. Hey, we a boy have a bungula girl. The valley a reman jungula girl. Then who can call me zungula girl? Late night who a call me zungula girl? Excuse me, let me give me humbula girl. When a girl a hype me find a humbula girl. Me have the strategy of the fundula girl. Or if now no time for your counselor girl.
Actually, the early one on the get. Early one on the get. Yeah, man, we got the people them there, man. We got the people them who enjoy the reaction, man. We got the people them who like the video. But now we got the people them who put shit in the comment section. Cause one time I black and refresh, me still not see the comments. The sub count go down. It has stay where the art go up. So anytime when I comment on a fuck me just black or no. Yeah. You know I watch it and see the screen go black or no get black. Can't come and fuck you and don't subscribe over. You go suck yourself. But yeah, big up Deva Bratt. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my G. Go and show about the work them, bro. Go and show about the new project that we have. Like we said earlier, we need some music videos as well, bro. People need to see you. You see me? People need to see you. And members have to work on the thumbnail. What I tell you about? work on the thumbnail thing, bro. Cause I know you're listening to my fam. I know you're listening. You see me? So work on the thumbnail, bro. Make it more appealing. Make it look more professional. You see me? Yeah, dog. Put in the work, bro. You see me? Yeah, my G. Your time again. You see me? That's what I'm saying. When I did not dash it to any dog. Cause the G bad. The G have lyrics. The G have talent. You see me? So yeah. Big up yourself, my fam. We got the people them. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace, peace, peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.